Buddy, I have been trying everything to get this truck to pretty much work, right? So I've redone I did my starter down there. You can see it barely, like it's down there where that silver cable is going to. Then a new battery, replaced my positive cable. This goes to the relay box over here on the side. New cable to my alternator. Replace all spark plugs, distributor cap, rotor. I've done it in the back, okay? With the cables and everything. But here is something here. So I was sitting here and I was like, hey, I need to test my, I need to be able to test my fuel pump to see if it's working. Because I cannot get the truck to start because it's not getting any fuel. So I want to show you something, and I learned this online, and I'll put the video in the description. But I don't know much about auto mechanics, but what I do know is this. This is the relay here for this, right? So with this relay, I have pins number 30 and pin number 87, and you can see it clearly right there, pin 30 and pin 87. This goes on there like that. And I put that in there, I didn't get anywhere. Now I saw in a video where it said you can do like a jumper cable and maybe something metal, and I used a paper clip, and this is gonna probably mess up some stuff, but this is just like, you know, this truck right here, just something I just like to use. But I basically was trying to see if my fuel pump would work. So listen to this. Listen to this. You hear that? So it's pulling fuel. It's pulling it. So I'm getting fuel. Fuel pump. Now, I'm gonna see if this will start. I don't know. Probably will, but we're gonna see. If it does, I'm gonna be shocked. So it didn't start. Okay, I'm just about there. But I do know the fuel pump works because I can hear it. We'll take this out now. So something else I'm missing on this is not working right. And I'm gonna figure it out. When I do, I'm gonna do another video, but I want to show you, be very careful with this, okay? Be very careful doing this. I just want to just test the theory, and it does pull something. So I am getting fuel. Now I gotta figure out what my problem is, and I will let you all know once I get to it, but I want to do a thorough video of the test.